find the 12th term from the end in the arithmetic progression 13, 18, 23 and so on all the way till 158. Alright, so we want to find the 12th term from the end, right, of the AP 13, 18, 23 and so on all the way till 158. Right? Now notice one thing, you want to find the 12th term from the end, right? So whenever you have a question like this where you want to find the 12th term or 13th term, whatever value, whatever number term from the end of the AP, I find it easy to flip the AP around and then solve it. So the 12th term from the end of 13, 18, 23 and so on is the same as the is equal to the 12th term of the AP that is reversed. So if you notice now, 13, 18, 23, the common difference here is 5. So if I'm reversing the AP, if I start from 158 and go backwards, the common difference now should be minus 5 or negative 5, right? So the 12th term of the AP, 158, 158 minus 5 will give me 153. Minus 5 from that will give me 148, and so on all the way up to 13, right? 18 and then 13, right? What I've done is I've flipped the AP around. The AP in the question was 13, 18, 23 and so on. What I did was I started from the last term, from 158 and went all the way backwards. And so the 12th term from the end is the same as the 12th term from the beginning of this particular AP now, the reversed AP, right? And now for this AP, right, for let's write down formula, right, for the arithmetic progression 158, 153, 148 and so on all the way to 13, right? For this particular arithmetic progression, the first term A is equal to 158, right? The common difference D. Now remember, in the first, in the usual AP that is given in the question, the common difference was 5. For the reversed AP, the common difference is negative 5. And the sign of the arithmetic progression will change when you reverse it. So as you can see, 153 minus 158 is negative 5. 148 minus 153 will give you negative 5, right? And we want to find the 12th term of the AP. 12th term, we'll obviously use the formula for the general term, Tn, which is Tn, right? So let's just write the formula down real quick. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, sorry, A plus n minus 1 into D. All right. So let's start plugging in the values. You want to find the 12th term, so basically you want to find T12. So therefore I can say T12, right? Which will be A plus 13D, sorry, A plus 11D, n minus 1 will make 11. So A I know is 158, right? So 158 plus n minus 1. So for now, let's just plug in the values. 12 minus 1 into D, which we know is negative 5. All right. So let's simplify this further. I can say T12, yeah, will be equal to 158. Oh, sorry, let's use a white color. Is equal to 158. So 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into minus 5 is negative 55. So 158 minus 55. So I can get the final answer, the T12. The 12th term from the end is 103, right? 158 minus 55. Okay, so the 12th term from the end of the AP is, so this should be my final answer statement. Therefore, the 12th term from the end is 103. That's my final answer, which I'll put in my final answer rectangle. Here you go.